everybody, this is Viral Chandra Brahma, assistant teacher of 1168 Kukrajhar practicing LP school. Today I am making this video especially for the children of class 4. This is my first video, so if there will be any mistake, please forgive me. Good morning children. Today we are going to learn the English poem recitation. Today I'll teach you how to recite the English poem. The title of the poem is Who Has Seen the Wind? The poem was composed by Krishna Rossetti.
Who has seen the wind? Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. But when the leaves hang trembling, the wind is passing through. Who has seen the wind? Neither you nor I. But when the trees bow down their heads, the wind is passing by. Who has seen the wind? Bota kune dekhi paise, barkhau sir nuferdoं. Neither I nor you. Angbo nuwakhै, nोंबो nuwakhै. Moyo nai dekha, tumiyo dekha nai. But when the leaves hang trembling, kintu jetia patta bure kopi thake. जेब्ला बिलाइफोरा मावग्लुङो. The wind is passing through. बता बोलेसे, बारा बारदों. Who has seen the wind? बता कुने देखि पाइसे, बारखौ सोर नुदों? Neither you nor I. मयो नाय देखा, तुमियो देखा नाय. आंबो नुवाखै, नोंबो नुवाखै. But when the trees bow down their heads, किन्तु जेतिया गस-गसनिफोरा सिरनत करे, किन्तु जेब्ला बिफां-लाइफांफोरा गंग्लायो. The wind is passing by. बता बोलेसे, बारा बारदों. মৰমৰ ছাত্ৰ-ছাত্ৰীসকল, আশা কৰিছোঁ তোমালোকে আজি কবিতাটি কেনেকৈ আবৃত্তি কৰিব লাগে সেইটো শিকিছা আৰু ইয়াৰ অসমীয়া অনুবাদ কেনেকৈ কৰিব লাগে সেইটো শিকিব পাৰিছা. আশা কৰিছোঁ তোমালোকে ভালকৈ শিকিবা. Thank you for watching me and joining me in this tutorial. Thank you.